All right, opening Watchitude's mystery bags. And these are for the Endless Bubble Wraps. Let's go with this one first. That's so cool. So then I got, which one is it? Red, green, purple. Wait, I'm confused. Which one is that? Is that on here somewhere? I'm so bad. My processing server is taking a long time, so I don't know if this is on here. This one's one of the mysteries. I got a glow-in-the-dark purple. How crazy is that? Is this one even on here though? Red, yellow, green. I think it's this one. Right? Red, yellow, green, purple. Yeah, this one. Okay, cute.